Oh wow. Hello, Abby. Welcome. Welcome, guys.
Welcome.
Thank you for the raid.
Welcome. Nymphus.
Abby and
Welcome.
everyone.
Abby_the_lesbian.
Hello, how was your stream?
Abith 9 Poppy Abith 9 Poppy Abith 9 Poppy. Heya.
Shout out to you, Abby.
NDVR TV Nova jamming NDVR TV Nova jamming NDVR TV Nova jamming NDVR TV Nova jamming NDVR TV Nova jamming.
Cool.
It was good. We're also on the indie dev team.
Oh, very nice. Hello, how you doing? Thanks for raiding. I really appreciate it. Hi guys, my name is Luke Wolf. I am a game developer that works in Construct 3. If anyone's heard of Construct 3, it is a visual scripting, mainly based visual scripting, HTML5 game development environment. So as you can see here, it's just simply condition and then action. There's many other things we're doing at the moment, like we've got functions and whatnot, but it does have coding capabilities, but it's just with the visual scripting. I find that it makes it a lot easier. There's a lot of stuff you can just simply it's more like a WYSIWYG. It does.
Lol, yeah, it's because I typo all the time.
Someone said in my chat the other day, the boss just did like 400 HP off my health, and the TTS was like, the boss did 400 horsepower off my health. I'm like, what? Oh, that happened the other day.
Oh.
It's like, horsepower? Apparently if you say HP.
HP.
Oh, it says HP, what?
400 horsepower.
Horsepower! 400 horsepower. Love it.
I am a robot.
Oh. Yes. That's cool. No. Construct 2? Yeah, Construct 2 are very similar, actually, to Construct 2. In fact, I started with Construct 2 many years ago. Over the last 5 years, I decided to use Construct 3 as when I started getting serious about making games. Hopefully with these games, it's a hobby at the moment, but I want to eventually I'm working towards actually making these games, at a commercial level. This is for my Genticity game. And Genticity is a 2D platform role-playing game. So effectively speaking, you have a character called everyone's called a Janty in Genticity. That's what Janty City is. Genticity, right? You get it? And effectively, you are a very strong Janty called a Jubber. And what generally happens is these guys called Bandies, bad Janties, will cause trouble, like set fire and pickpocket and all that kind of stuff. Eventually, they might even knock out another Janty. And Janties will call for help. So you pick up the call for help through the Jubber Alert inbox. It tells you all about what's going on with the call, what the message is going on in the call. And you have a happy rating that tells you how you're going with the call. At the moment, it's pretty dismal because I'm talking. I'm simply just ignoring what's going on. So you start to lose points because of that. And you can use these buttons here to dispatch the right service out as well. So I just dispatched a copper out, so that copper will go to that call there. It will tell you when you pick it up as well. It will tell you where the call's coming from. And this is just a one-screen environment right now, just to test everything. So I've got to be able to see everything, right? So I've just got everything in just a one screen for this particular layout. But we're going to be moving to the Janty Town section, which is going to be much bigger, and you'll be able to scroll left and right depending on where you are. So we have some out-of-screen functions, and that's why we've got a call locator system that enables you to see where the call's coming from. This is just a one-screen environment right now, just to test everything. So I've got to be able to see everything, right? So I've just got everything in just a one screen for this particular layout. But we're going to be moving to the Janty Town section, which is going to be much bigger, and you'll be able to scroll left and right depending on where you are. So we have some out-of-screen functions, and that's why we've got a call locator system that enables you to see where the call's coming from. Game Boy game, ooh.
We were making a Game Boy game in ASM. I'm going to break the TTS.
Oh my god, yeah. Voka likes to break my TTS for a few moments, but it comes back. It needs to get a coffee every time.
999
Nice.
septillion, 999
Is this the game?
septillion, 999 sextillion, 999 quintillion, 900.
Why are you doing this? What has the TTS done to you?
999.
That's what I want to know. What's the TTS done to you, man? Have fun. Let's have a look at this. Oh wow. Okay, you're a VTuber too. Yes. I also am a VTuber. Hey guys, how you going? This is my true form. This is what I actually look like. No one believes me, but this is what I actually look like. I'm a shadow wolf, okay? I'm not from this world. And yeah, I'm making games for people. Ah, yes, you're actually coding. This is cool. Are you doing this in like Microsoft Studio or something? Although it looks a bit different. When you dispatch from these buttons here, we send out the right service, and those services will automatically go out to that call and start reacting to things. Right now, we've got a bug with the Medi, which is the paramedic in the game. Different characters in Genticity are generally called different things. Every character is a Janty, but these guys are called Bandies. They're bad Janties. These are coppers, which are police. Janty police. You're a Jubber, which is a very strong Janty. And these are Smokies, which are firefighters. So yeah, we've got a problem with the Medi at the moment. The Medi's not taking people away or healing people properly, or getting stuck in a healing state. So I need to work out what's going on there. I thought that everything was sweet, but apparently it's not sweet. Last night we did more of the implementation of the general meter you see here, right? Now it is mostly going to be a visual meter more than, I suppose, one that's going to have numbers and things on it, right? But yeah, it's pretty basic right now. It's just a bar. And the bar goes up and down based on your performance as the Jubber in the community and how well you deal with things that actually come through. And we've made some adjustments to it because initially we were going to do it based on the general happy rating of all of the incidents. I'm just going to change a few values back and we'll have a look at the actual Janty town now that we've done that. There is something I'll actually want to test, but I'll do it a bit later. I just want to show you guys the Janty town. And phase one's going to be pretty. It's going to be pretty simple at the moment for this. For the playtest. This is the first play test for the game that I've made, right? So I haven't released anything yet, but I will be soon. This is got a few features in there. We've got basic movement of characters, basic AI. You have basic UI as well. So we've got I've added some profile stuff. So when you click on people, you can see sort of information about them. You do have a button here. Currently, the check ID button only works on Bandies. Eventually, I'm going to use check ID to bring up other information about that character as well, but that's not in playtest. We also have a call for help. So when, as you can see, Janties are calling for help. If you click on this up here, that will actually open up the call for help window, which will allow you to see what's going on. It'll give you a lot of information about what the call is about. It will give you status updates. This person's about to die, so I'm just going to get a medi out to assist that person. And you can basically scroll between calls. It's very retro-like. It's a bit retro-like. Yeah, we've got a bit of chaos at the moment because Bandies, they cause all sorts of different trouble, okay? At the moment, we've only got one type of Bandy, so I'm sort of getting the one type of Bandy to do everything. Initially, the idea, though, eventually will be that there'll be certain Bandies will do different sort of things. At the moment, this guy's just hurting people, stealing money, setting fire to things, all that sort of stuff. So, but yeah, eventually we're going to have different types of Bandies doing, focusing on different types of, chaos that I like to sort of do in the game to make